In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in Prezi. If you've ever wished for a private prompt while presenting, Prezi's presenter notes are your best friend. They're visible only to you in presenter view, and they help you stay on track without cluttering your slides. First, open your presentation in the Prezi editor. Now, let's open the presenter notes panel. You can get there in whichever way feels most natural to you. At the top, click More. Then choose Presenter Notes to open the Notes panel. If you prefer working from the left sidebar where your frames or steps are listed, hover over the frame you want, click the three dots, and select Presenter Notes. Or, if you like quick shortcuts, look to the bottom right corner of the editor and click the Notes button. Any of these opens the same panel. With the Notes panel open, click in the text box and start typing what you want to remember for that frame. Think of these as supportive cues, key talking points, reminders for transitions, or timing notes. Keep them concise and scannable so you can glance and go while presenting. To add notes to other parts of your presentation, use the back and next arrows to move between frames right from within the Notes panel. Each frame has its own notes area, so as you navigate, you'll see a blank box for new frames or your existing notes where you've already written them. Work through your deck, adding the guidance you need for each section. When you're finished, close the Notes panel by clicking the X in the corner. Don't worry, closing it does not delete anything. Prezi saves your notes automatically as you type, so there's no separate save button to press. If you ever want to update something, just reopen the Notes panel using any of the methods we covered and make your edits. Here's a quick tip as you refine your notes. Write for your future, presenting self. Use short phrases, emphasize big ideas, and include brief reminders like examples or audience questions. That way, when you launch your presentation, your notes will support you without stealing your focus. And that's it. You opened your presentation, accessed the Presenter Notes panel, added notes to each frame, and closed the panel with everything saved automatically. You're ready to present with confidence.